To lock apps with your fingerprint on POCO X7 Pro, you can use the app lock feature. In order to find it, we need to go to the settings, then over here scroll down and go to apps. And then here you can choose app lock. So tap on it, then press turn on in order to set up the app lock. First you need to create a password, a recovery, let's say password for the app lock so that we can use something in addition to the fingerprint sensor, just like you have it with the screen lock. Of course, you are asked to connect at least 4 dots, but if you wish to use a PIN code or a password, then you can tap change password over here at the bottom, and here you can change the type. I'm gonna stick with the dots for now, so I'm gonna draw a simple password, and then we can press next. If you are logged into the Xiaomi account, then you have the option to reset the password in case you lose it. So if you want to, you can press add. If not, then you can choose not now. So let's proceed. Now you have suggested apps, those that are suggested to log. Of course, you can tap on them in order to add them to the app lock or not. I'm gonna stick with these for now, and I'm gonna choose use app lock. And now we have the option to use the fingerprint as well. If you don't have the fingerprint set up, then first you will have to do this. So you need to find the fingerprint option, the fingerprint sensor, or the setting to set it up. And if you have the fingerprint, then of course you need to simply use your fingerprint that you use for your phone. And there we go. Now here you have the settings for the app lock, so you can choose which apps should be locked behind the password, and of course therefore the fingerprint. So let's say I'm gonna also choose perhaps Netflix. Of course, if you want to remove the lock, then you can simply tap on the switcher in order to remove the app from the lock. And in the future, if perhaps you didn't have the fingerprint added yet, but then later on you added it, then you can tap on this setting here in the top right corner, and then over here in biometrics you can make sure that the fingerprint unlock is actually enabled. So of course you can decide to use it or not, and as you can see, if you try to turn it on, you need to verify your fingerprint. But essentially this is how we can use the fingerprint. Now let me actually also quickly show you how to set up the fingerprint. In the main menu of the settings, you can go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock, and then over here you have fingerprint unlock. You need to simply tap on it if it's disabled in order to set up the fingerprint. And if you have issues with this feature, if you cannot set it up properly, then of course feel free to check out my channel. I have a video how to actually use it. And that's pretty much it. So now let me show you how it looks like. I have Netflix locked as I added it to the app lock. So now if I try to open it, I am asked to use the fingerprint. If not, then of course I can still use the password as well. But essentially if you want to use the fingerprint, then you can do that, as you can see over here. So if I proceed with my finger, there we go, I have unlocked Netflix. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!